Uyaphela phakathi kwamabili namhlanje umnqamlajuqu wokuboshwa kwabengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma nakuba kungacaci kahle ukuthi uzogcina eboshwe ngempela yini. uZuma ubebekele umnqamlajuqu insuku ezinhlanu ukuthi azinikele kwabomthetho ngeshwa uqoke ukunikela inkantolo ephakeme eMgungundlovu. Inkantolo izosethula ngolwesihlanu isinqumo sayo, kepha umbuzo uthi engabe lokhu kwenele ukuhoxisa isinqumo senkantolo enkulu kunazo zonke kuleli.
The Constitutional Court is obviously our highest court in the country. No constitutional court order can be appealed or reviewed. It can only be, an application can only be brought to rescind it, and that must be brought directly to the Constitutional Court order. And also, if you want the order to be stayed or altered or deviated from in whatever manner, then you should approach the Con Court, not the High Court.
The Constitutional Court order is binding on not only Mr. Zuma, but also the Minister of Police. So what this means is that because Mr. Zuma did not hand himself over to a police station within the 5 days that he was directed to by the Constitutional Court, the Minister of Police then has 3 days to use all reasonable steps to arrest him.
uZuma uphinde wanikela kuyo inkantolo yomthetho sisekelo ukuyofaka isicelo sokuhoxisa isinqumo sayo sokuthi aboshwe.
Application for a rescission or a variation of the order without an application suspending the order does not merely suspend it. It simply means that the order as issued on Wednesday, which is still alive, must be executed on, and if there are any parties that have failed to execute the orders directed by the court, they may be held in contempt of court.
Ngaleyo ndlela wonke amehlo athe nje ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kanye nomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke ukuthi engabe bazombopha yini uZuma.